Hi, I'm Stuart from SOB Leadworks. Welcome to the next job. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. Okay, so if we just come up this ladder, we've got some capping to do to this garden room, all the way around. I think it measures 34 metres, so something nice to be getting stuck into. So the first thing I've done is set out where all my welts are going to be, setting up the corners first. What I've done is I've measured 150mm from that corner to the centre of a welt, 150mm from that corner, centre of the welt. Done the same thing down here. So we've got 150mm centre of the welt from that corner, same there. And I've taken the measurement from the centre of that welt to the centre of that welt down there, and that measurement was 8 metres 760, just about see it there. And then I've just divided that equally, which gave us 974 centres. Then I've just marked 974 from the centre of that welt all the way along, and then just marked where all the welts are. And I've just copied the same principle all the way around, measuring the centre of that welt, centre of that welt, taking the measurement and dividing it all equally. So I've just done that on all of those as well. So now I've got everything set out, let's start getting some lead knocked up. Okay, so let's get this knocked up. I've already got a piece of lead here cut to size. This is 1 metre and 40 by 550 code 5. I just need to knock up 25mm either end. So what I'm going to do is just lightly scribe 25mm on both ends. Okay, now that's knocked up, what I'm going to do now is knock up quite a few more of those and start getting them fitted. Okay, I've got quite a bit knocked up now, got quite a bit fitted as well. Just working my way along. So I'm just round to here, so let's get this next bit fitted. Okay, let's get this next bit on. Let's grab the square, make sure it's not going out. Okay, so now that one's fitted, what I'm going to do now is repeat the process, get the rest of these panels on. Okay, that's the rest of the panels on there now. So now they're on, what I'm going to do now, start getting down this inside edge. Okay, now that section's all dressed down, what I'll do next is get the rest of it dressed down, then start getting everything all trimmed up. Okay, so that's everything all dressed down now, and everything's trimmed as well, all the way around. So now that's done, what I'm going to do now is start making up all the gussets and getting those welded in. Okay, so that's all the gussets welded in there now. What I need to do is just trim this little section through there, then I can give it all another coat of patination oil. Okay, that's that last section trimmed up now. I've just given it all another coat of patination oil, so that is job done. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at SOB Leadworks. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.